Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you what is my Skype ID and how to find it. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to open up Skype app on your mobile phone. So after opening up Skype app on your mobile phone, you guys have to simply tap on top left corner of your profile. So after tapping on your profile, here it will provide you some options. You guys have to select the Skype profile in the manage section. So after tapping on Skype profile, here you guys can be able to see Skype ID, which is displayed as Skype name. So you guys can be easily access your Skype ID through Skype name. So this is for mobile phone, and in the PC or desktop, you guys have to simply open up Skype software. So after opening up Skype software, you guys have to just simply open up setting, and in the Skype setting, the same procedure you have to follow. You have to just tap on Skype profile in the manage section, and you guys will be able to see the Skype ID, which is displayed as Skype name on the desktop also. So hope you guys would really like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.